Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is Community Cloud, types of Community Cloud, key features of Community Cloud and benefits of Community Cloud. Salesforce Community Cloud primarily focuses on building online communities. It is Salesforce platform for building branded online communities. It enables businesses to connect with customers, partners, and employees in a single place. Types of Community Cloud. Basically, these are of three types: customer, partner, and employee. Customer Community Cloud is a self-service portal offering support and feedback. Partner Community Cloud is an information hub especially for business to business organizations. And Employee Community Cloud is a portal especially for HR and IT information, allowing them to connect with each other, offering them a single space for training material, shared files, schedules, searchable knowledge databases, project management, and organizational announcements or documentation. Key features of Community Cloud. Branded communities. Create customized branded online communities. Use templates and drag and drop builders to design our community without coding. Personalized experiences. Tailor content and recommendation based on user profiles and activities. Deliver personalized experiences for different user groups, customers, partners, and employees. Self-service. Provide a knowledge base for user to find answers immediately. Allow users to submit and track cases or support tickets. Integration with Salesforce. Seamlessly integrate community data with Salesforce CRM. Use Salesforce data and processes to enrich the community experience. Benefits of using Community Cloud. Improved customer satisfaction. Empower customers to find answers quickly and independently, leading to higher satisfaction levels. Reduce support costs. Decrease the volume of support calls and emails by providing self-service options and peer-to-peer support. Increased engagement. Foster a sense of community and collaboration among customers, partners, and employees. Enhanced brand loyalty. Create a branded, personalized experience that strengthens customer relationship and loyalty. Data driven insights. Use analytics to understand community behavior and make data driven decisions to improve the community experience. Thank you.